Hi, it's your trainer Samantha with Sunny Health and Fitness, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get the most out of your compact motorized smart treadmill. With its space-saving design and connected features, reaching your fitness goals can be accomplished in the comfort of your own home. You may be already familiar with the benefits that walking and running can provide. Health benefits like keeping up your muscles and bone strength, as well as working your most important muscle, which is your heart, for improved cardiovascular fitness. Using a treadmill is an excellent way to reap all the health benefits without having to go to the gym. Now let's discuss what makes this compact motorized treadmill the smart choice when it comes to getting the big bang for your buck in a compact design. The space-saving foldable design has transportation wheels in the front, making it easy to move and store anywhere in your home or office. It offers a maximum speed of 6.5 miles an hour, which is considered a solid running pace. And it has a fixed incline of 4.8 degrees, making it easy to run uphill. Walking or jogging on an incline is shown to improve cardiovascular health, promote a larger caloric burn than would be with a flat surface, and increased activation of your lower body muscles, including your glutes, hamstrings, and calves. It can enhance your endurance, improving your overall stamina and fitness level while minimizing stress on your joints. The interactive digital display tracks crucial workout metrics such as speed, time, distance, and calories, while the variable speed caters to all fitness levels. Connect to your Bluetooth and track your metrics, or better yet, follow our experienced trainer-led workouts on the SunnyFit app to stay motivated and engaged during your treadmill session. The deck height is 6.6 inches from the floor to the deck, with a running surface of a bit over 14 inches wide and 39 inches in length. This means that the integrity of your stride is not encumbered by this compact design. An advantage of a narrower running base means that you'll get a full cardio workout without taking up substantial floor space. Enjoy a peaceful, powerful exercise experience with a 1.5 horsepower motor designed for quiet operation, so it's suitable for any time of the day. As always, safety first. It has a safety clip that you can clip to your clothing if you need to stop quickly. Let me show you how to get started. First, let me fold up the treadmill. So your treadmill will be folded up like this. To unfold, you'll simply pull, gently place the deck onto the floor, take the knob, reinsert, and tighten by screwing all the way to the right until you can't go no more. Step onto the side rails of your treadmill to get started. Clip on your safety clip. Do it before every workout. And then you're going to just start the machine on the slowest setting and then step on. We like to suggest this method of getting onto your treadmill because it's a safety-approved method and it's also good for the mechanics of the machine. We encourage you to elevate your home workouts by connecting to the free SunnyFit app via Bluetooth for detailed tracking and access to over 10,000 global routes and thousands of workouts from our trainers. You can enjoy community challenges and enjoy more smart features to enhance your fitness journey. You can increase your speed, and the fixed incline will keep you walking uphill. Once you're done with the workout, take out the safety clip and then carefully step off. To fold up the treadmill and put it away for storage, just go ahead and turn right here, unscrew, put the screw down, hold onto the front of the treadmill while grabbing onto the back of the deck, push it all the way forward, and then you're just going to want to secure it with this knob right here. You can simply wheel it to an area out of the way for storage. But if you have the space, simply leave it in place as it will serve as a perfect reminder for you to work out. Compact treadmills have gained popularity among fitness enthusiasts ranging any age and fitness level. The narrow design encourages regular use due to the easy storage and mobility. Equipped with wheels and a foldable design, it can be tucked away when not in use, helping to maintain a clutter-free environment at home. The Compact Smart Motorized Treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness is your one-stop solution to a space-saving way to maintain your fitness.